Have you ever found yourself grappling with constipation more frequently as the years advance? It's a common and often unspoken challenge for many individuals over the age of 60. But here's an important revelation. Constipation isn't an inevitable part of growing older. Rather, it often signals that your digestive system requires the appropriate support. The fantastic news is that the solution doesn't need to be complex. In fact, a staggering 99% of constipation cases can diminish simply by incorporating the right foods into your diet. In this video, we're going to unveil 5 specific foods that can get your digestive system functioning smoothly and naturally. If you're watching this video, comment "Great." These aren't just ordinary foods. They are potent, fiber-rich, and gut-friendly choices that can assist you in maintaining regularity without resorting to harsh laxatives or uncomfortable treatments. By the end of our discussion, you'll possess a straightforward yet effective strategy to enhance your digestion, alleviate bloating, and experience an overall improvement in your well-being. Stay with us until the end, as you might just discover that the secret to improved digestion isn't in a bottle of pills, but is already present in your kitchen. Now, let's delve into these incredible foods. 1. Prunes, nature's unrivaled remedy. Prunes have rightfully earned the title of nature's laxative. These unassuming, wrinkled fruits might not appear particularly impressive, but they stand out as one of the most effective and natural ways to find relief from constipation. Brimming with fiber and a unique compound known as sorbitol, prunes function by drawing water into your intestines, thereby softening your stool and facilitating easier digestion. If you've ever struggled with irregular bowel movements, incorporating prunes into your daily routine could be the straightforward, natural solution you've been seeking. Many individuals shy away from prunes, perhaps associating them with outdated dietary advice. However, the reality is that they are remarkably effective. Moreover, they offer a gentle and natural approach to stimulating your digestive system without the discomfort often associated with over-the-counter laxatives. Unlike certain medications that can lead to cramping or dependency, prunes assist your body in regulating itself, positioning them as an excellent long-term remedy for constipation. Consider the experience of Gilbert, a 75-year-old from Pennsylvania who had been battling chronic constipation for several years. Initially, he experimented with fiber supplements, followed by various laxatives, but none provided lasting relief. It wasn't until his physician recommended prunes that he found a genuine solution. Initially skeptical, Gilbert began consuming just a few prunes each day. Within a week, he noticed a significant improvement. His digestion felt smoother. He no longer suffered from uncomfortable bloating, and, most importantly, he wasn't reliant on medication anymore. That's the remarkable power of prunes. Just a small quantity each day can make a world of difference. You can enjoy them as they are. Add them to your morning oatmeal, blend them into a refreshing smoothie, or even chop them up and sprinkle them over a salad. Regardless of how you choose to consume them, the benefits remain consistent: improved digestion, fewer stomach issues, and enhanced regularity. If you've been struggling with constipation and haven't yet tried prunes, ask yourself what you have to lose. They are natural, effective, and easily integrated into any dietary plan. Give them a try, and you might be pleasantly surprised by how quickly your digestive health improves. Comment "natural relief" if you're excited to try prunes. 2. Chia seeds, tiny powerhouses for digestion. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are nutritional giants when it comes to digestive health. These minuscule seeds are packed with fiber, particularly a type of soluble fiber that transforms into a gel-like consistency when mixed with liquid. This distinctive characteristic aids in softening stool, making it easier to pass and providing natural constipation relief. If you've been experiencing sluggish digestion, chia seeds might be the simple, natural solution you've been overlooking. One of the primary reasons chia seeds are so effective is their remarkable ability to absorb water. When you consume them, They expand within your stomach, creating bulk that helps propel waste through your digestive tract. Unlike some fiber supplements that can be harsh on the stomach, chia seeds work gently, assisting your body in regulating itself without causing discomfort. They not only get things moving, but also contribute to a feeling of fullness, making them a valuable addition to any meal. Take the case of Rebecca, a 70-year-old from California who had been dealing with intermittent constipation for years. She experimented with various fiber supplements, but they either proved ineffective or caused bloating. Then, a friend suggested chia seeds. Skeptical yet willing to try, Rebecca began adding a spoonful of chia seeds to her morning yogurt. Within days, she noticed a positive change. Her digestion felt smoother, her bowel movements became more regular, and she no longer felt weighed down by bloating. That's the beauty of chia seeds. They are effortless to incorporate into your diet, and they work quickly. You can sprinkle them on your oatmeal, blend them into your smoothies, stir them into a glass of water, or even prepare a simple chia seed pudding. The key is to allow them to soak in liquid before consumption, enabling them to expand and perform their function effectively. If you've been searching for a straightforward, natural method to enhance your digestion, chia seeds might be precisely what you need. They are small, virtually tasteless, and easy to use, yet their benefits are far from insignificant. Comment digestive boost if you're intrigued by the power of chia seeds. I believe you're enjoying this video. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Comment wonderful if you're enjoying this video. 3. Oatmeal, gentle fiber for regularity. Oatmeal stands out as one of the most beneficial foods you can consume for digestion. And if you're over 60, it should ideally be a staple in your diet. In contrast to harsh fiber supplements or laxatives, oatmeal offers a natural and gentle approach to maintaining smooth movement within your digestive system. It's rich in soluble fiber, which absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in your intestines, effectively softening stool and facilitating easier passage. If constipation has been a recurring issue for you, simply adding a warm bowl of oatmeal to your daily routine might be all it takes to experience relief. A key reason for oatmeal's effectiveness lies in a specific type of fiber called beta-glucan. This special fiber not only aids in digestion, but also supports heart health, regulates blood sugar levels, and promotes a prolonged feeling of fullness. Furthermore, unlike some high-fiber foods that can cause bloating or discomfort, oatmeal is gentle on the stomach, making it an excellent choice for seniors seeking to improve their gut health naturally. Consider the experience of Anderson, a 73-year-old from Texas who had been struggling with constipation for several years. He tried various remedies. Some provided temporary relief, but most left him feeling bloated or uncomfortable. Then, his doctor suggested a simple solution: eat oatmeal every morning. Initially, Anderson was uncertain if something as basic as oatmeal could truly make a difference. However, after a week of starting his day with a warm bowl of oatmeal, he noticed a significant change. His digestion felt smoother, his bowel movements became more regular, and he no longer experienced that sluggish feeling throughout the day. That's the incredible power of oatmeal. It's simple, natural, and remarkably effective. The best part is its versatility. You can prepare it sweet with the addition of fruits and honey, or opt for a savory version by incorporating nuts and seeds. You can cook it traditionally on the stovetop, microwave it for a quick meal, or even soak it overnight for a convenient no-cook breakfast. Regardless of how you choose to enjoy it, the benefits remain the same: improved digestion, enhanced regularity, and a healthier gut overall. If you've been seeking a natural way to alleviate constipation, oatmeal might be the easiest solution yet. It's a comforting and satisfying meal that supports your digestive system effortlessly. Comment gut comfort if you find the benefits of oatmeal appealing. 4. Sweet potatoes, a delicious path to regularity. Sweet potatoes are more than just a tasty and comforting food. They are also one of nature's finest remedies for constipation. Packed with fiber, water, and essential nutrients, they work harmoniously to keep your digestive system functioning smoothly without the need for harsh laxatives or medications. If you're looking for a simple and delicious way to improve your digestion, sweet potatoes might be the perfect solution. The effectiveness of sweet potatoes can be attributed to their high fiber content, particularly soluble fiber, which adds bulk to your stool and helps move waste efficiently through your intestines. Unlike some fiber-rich foods that can be rough on the stomach, sweet potatoes offer a gentle and soothing effect, making them ideal for seniors seeking a natural way to support their gut health. Additionally, they are loaded with water, which helps keep everything hydrated and moving properly. Consider the experience of Veronica, a 72-year-old from Ohio who had been dealing with constipation for years. She tried increasing her water intake, taking fiber supplements, and even using over-the-counter laxatives, but none provided lasting relief. Then, she learned about the benefits of sweet potatoes and decided to give them a try. She started incorporating a serving into her meals a few times a week, sometimes baked, sometimes mashed, and sometimes roasted. Within days, she noticed a significant improvement. Her digestion felt smoother, her bowel movements became more regular, and she no longer experienced the uncomfortable bloating that had plagued her for years. That's the remarkable power of sweet potatoes. They not only aid in digestion, but also provide a steady source of energy, essential vitamins, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health. The best part is that they are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. You can bake them, roast them, mash them, or even blend them into soups. Their natural sweetness makes them a delightful addition to any meal. If you've been struggling with constipation and haven't yet tried sweet potatoes, now is the perfect time. They are tasty, nutritious, and one of the simplest ways to keep your digestive system on track. Comment sweet relief if you're ready to embrace the digestive benefits of sweet potatoes. 5. Kefir, the gut-friendly drink for restored digestion. If you're seeking a natural and effortless way to enhance your digestion and alleviate constipation, kefir might be the answer you've been looking for. This fermented dairy beverage is teeming with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help balance your gut microbiome and keep things moving smoothly. Unlike fiber supplements that might take time to show results, kefir can start improving digestion almost immediately, making it one of the best foods to incorporate into your routine. The effectiveness of kefir lies in its rich probiotic content. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and when this delicate balance is disrupted, digestion can slow down, leading to constipation, bloating, and general discomfort. Kefir introduces beneficial bacteria that help restore this balance, break down food more efficiently, and facilitate the movement of waste through your system. The result is more regular bowel movements, reduced bloating, and an overall improvement in your gut health. Consider the experience of George, a 76-year-old from Pennsylvania who had been struggling with constipation for years. Regardless of his dietary choices, he consistently felt sluggish and uncomfortable. He tried increasing his fiber intake, drinking more water, and even occasionally using laxatives, but none provided lasting relief. Then, his doctor suggested adding kefir to his diet. Skeptical but willing to try anything, George began drinking a small glass every morning. Within a week, his digestion had undergone a complete transformation. His bowel movements became more regular, his stomach felt lighter, and for the first time in years, he wasn't constantly preoccupied with his digestion. That's what makes kefir so exceptional. It works from the inside out. It doesn't just address constipation in the short term. It helps rebuild gut health, ensuring that digestion remains smooth and effortless over time. The best part is that it's incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. You can drink it plain, blend it into a smoothie, or pour it over your cereal or fruit. If you've been grappling with digestive issues and haven't yet given kefir a try, it might just be the missing piece you need. It's simple, natural, and remarkably effective at restoring balance to your gut. Comment happy gut if you're excited to explore the benefits of kefir. As we bring this video to a close, take a moment to reflect on the 5 powerful foods we've discussed. Constipation after the age of 60 doesn't have to be something you simply accept. It's an issue you can actively manage. The key lies not in relying on quick fixes or over-the-counter solutions, but in providing your body with the right tools to function naturally. These 5 foods, prunes, chia seeds, oatmeal, sweet potatoes, and kefir, do precisely that. What resonated with you the most? Which of these foods have you already tried? And which ones are you planning to incorporate into your diet? Perhaps you've been eating oatmeal, but never fully appreciated its digestive benefits. Maybe you've been hesitant about kefir, but now recognize its potential. Or perhaps this video has provided you with the motivation to finally start adding more fiber-rich and gut-friendly foods to your meals. We'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below and share one key takeaway from today's discussion and how you intend to apply it to your life. Your insights are valuable to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments provides us with great motivation and encouragement. If you found this video informative and helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support enables us to continue creating valuable content to inform and inspire you. Thank you for watching, and we eagerly anticipate seeing you in our next video. Before you go, don't forget to explore other interesting videos on our channel that are packed with valuable health tips and insights for seniors. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Do check out other interesting contents on our channel before you leave.